CMS, the winner of the UNESCO Prize for Peace Education in 2002 through its curriculum of education for protection and security, since the turn of the century has been convening the international conferences of Chief Justices of the world that aims to unite the world for children through enforceable international law and effective global governance. To hold discussions, share concerns, and to build consensus for world unity and peace.
I had the proud privilege of welcoming you to the first session of this very important international conference of the Chief Justices of the world.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is very good that you congregate to celebrate the diversity of the world. We pray for the happiness of all. We pray for the development of all.
I appeal to everybody. Do not busy yourself only in your own concerns or the concerns of your countries alone. Let your thoughts be fixed upon that which will rehabilitate the fortunes of mankind and sanctify the hearts and souls of men.
This is not the first time Dr. Gandhi is holding a meeting of this kind. He seems to have struck the right chord in talking about issues in which globally there's unanimity, in which globally no country can sound different.
हमारे देश की संस्कृति और सभ्यता वसुधैव कुटुंबकम की रही है। सारी मानव जाति की भलाई के लिए काम करें।
The staff, the students, for the spectacular welcome program they organized on the international fora and for the international luminary fora.
Nelson Mandela says, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. If you want to change the world, the only way is to change the school and change the teachers and go to the school.
Conference is a great achievement in itself.
Dear friends, what is Chief Justice Conference? Why it is being held? It is being held on Article 51 of the Constitution of India.
Really feel that we will have some outcomes from the deliberations that you will have over the next few days, which will give a great message to the rest of the world about the significance and seriousness of this very important subject that you're going to deliberate on.
The working session of the conference began with the Honorable Chief Justices and dignitaries who took out the World Unity March.
आज अंधाधुंध विनाशक हथियारों पर प्रतिबंध, जलवायु परिवर्तन के संदर्भ में एकरूपता भाव से कोई विचार और आपसी समन्वय और भाईचारे का प्रचार प्रसार पूरी दुनिया में हो, इसके लिए इस प्रकार के सम्मेलनों का महत्व बढ़ जाता है।
मैं शुभकामनाएं देना चाहूंगा श्री गांधी जी को कि उन्होंने उच्च कोटि की शिक्षा तो प्रदान की ही, लेकिन समाज के विभिन्न कार्यक्रमों में भी बढ़ चढ़कर शिरकत करने का काम किया।
विश्व शांति सारी दुनिया का सपना है।
वस्तु कुटुंबकम, संपूर्ण धरती को हम जिस मानवता के साथ देखते हैं और दुनिया को जो संदेश देना चाहते हैं, उसमें बहुत बड़ी बात है कि पंडित अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी ने कहा था, सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुर्भाग् भवेत्।
It was a heartwarming sight seeing young children interacting with Honorable Chief Justices and dignitaries. Here are once again excerpts from CMS students making appeals on:
we hang on to a culture that enables and sustains violence with impunity.
This 20th conference on Article 51 of the Constitution of India relating to International Peace and Security is a unique conference virtually organized by 2.5 billion children of the world.
Diamond Jubilee celebrations of 60 years of excellence in education at City Montessori School. May I request the principals of City Montessori School to garland our founders, Dr. Jagdish Gandhi and Dr. Mrs. Bharti Gandhi. Founders being garlanded by the principals of the 18 campuses of City Montessori School.
विश्व शांति के हम साधक हैं, जंग ना होने देंगे, हम जंग ना होने देंगे।
In 2020, an unusual year owing to the COVID-19 pandemic that has led to disruption in education, the 21st International Conference of Chief Justices of the World panned out over 3 days of intense webinars, the participation of 102 heads of states, chief justices, judges, legal luminaries and peace promoters from 63 countries zooming in online, transcending various time zones.
It is our proud privilege to welcome our most honorable chief guest, Honorable Shri Rajnath Singh Ji.
दुनिया में जो ढूंढे है उसके अंदर ही ठिकाने, बदलाव जो चाहे तू वो खुद ही तू बनना, मन में अमन तू रखना।
Dear friends, as you all know, that we are 7.5 billion people in this world, and out of this, 1/3, that is 2.5 billion, are the children in this world, whose future has become progressively more insecure and unprotected during past 7 decades since the bombing of Hiroshima and Nagasaki.
We are a school, and a school is a humble institution. But to such a humble institution, probably, unarguably, some of the most eminent people of the world have come to today and during the course of this forthcoming conference to meet with some of the humblest people on the planet, namely school teachers, school children, and people like the management of a school.
That it is the intergenerational responsibility of every generation to bequeath a safe and secure future to the next generation and generations yet to be born.
21st International Conference of Chief Justices of the World is to impress upon the world community the urgent need of having enforceable world law, which lies at the heart of all efforts for ensuring effective global governance.